Barbados 2-1. She come on. Blood clot. A lie. Jesus Christ. How she gone?
Me Kevon. He has been playing Iceno games on islandbet.com. He has just won some real money, as you can see. He's very excited about it. About a week ago, he was worrying and asking himself how is he going to get any money while being in quarantine. Then he stumbled on islandbet.com, where he has been playing roulette games and poker games. You there? So far, he has won 32,000 in JMD dollars. Wait, hold on. Brother man, if you do that, I'm now going to pay for no broke bone, you know. You can also place bets on FIFA matches and a lot of other good stuffs. As you can see here, he's still very excited.
Mommy. Where are you to my coach?
No, mommy, I just win some money on islandbet.com.
You win what?
Money!
No, you know win nothing.
No,
remember
what you mean?
I mean, I pay the bill, let me know. So anything you have a mind, you know. So guess what? I mean, win. Give me.
Meet Marcia. She has been playing online games on islandbet.com.
Yo, babes, I'm gonna go over one of my dog them most go knock some FIFA here. I'm so forward.
Disgusting.
Later. Yo, babes, me I go over one girl here, I gonna give a beer bun, you see me?
A long time, I get for sure my Irish ways, you see me? Then after that, I go link a next girl, yeah man, the same one where you see me, I like up her picture them for Instagram. Cause all I do I give out.
Fitting it out, we letting the scouts outside, we running the scouts. Nigga, the cops outside, lock up the house.
Oh, God, it's true. It's the way I think about this. In the right for you, I think you need to live in the boy too boring if you make it up for. You might use a feel, you don't know more time, you need to fuck you man down. Stop fighting, make him fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice to him, the boy love him belly just rising him. Breaking news, man want killing girl, I guess because I pussy too good. Breaking news, girl your pussy too good. Breaking news, hey, that's on. Breaking news, boy.
Oh my God, I'm so stressed. Like, why am I so depressed? Why? Cho, I just scared by Dino man. Cho man. Cho.
What happened to you?
You know, I honestly don't want to talk about that right
I
now.
am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. This, today, is one of the worst days that I've had in a long time.
Yo, dog, you ever go on the radio today? Then on the radio, where you want me to watch it? So I tell dog, the girl will call me now. She avoid me the whole day, because I know so she don't go prank me, you know. What me tell you? Tell me, man. What you know? Put it on speaker. Hello? Yeah, we're not working out. Duh, we don't go gym. Haha, I'm leaving you, Pine. Alright, yeah. April Fools, blah, blah. Yeah, the jig is up. Wait, what? Then I did April already? But David did realize. Wait, but anyway, have a good life, Kevon. Bye.
Yo, me just can't get how people actually believe everything them see on the internet. Me not get it. Wait, hold on, I'm kill the flyer. Like, no. When I actually think me I talk about, me really not. You see what me I talk about?
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Ah! Yeah, man, that's good. How would you not allow me to stay in your yard? Not a sense, man. That's acting, man.
Where you say, mama? You firm like liar, you know. And thick like a depend dog. How you say?
I can't run piece, man. You know,
I'm not play easy.
hold on, I'm going to do something. I'm so call you back.
Alright.
So hang up now?
No, man, you hang up. Hello? Yeah, man, she raped me up.
Jano, today I one of the boringest day of my life. Somebody can call me and save me, man. Jeez, I'm so bored. Hit me up.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. This, today,
Oh, you like
Get the
that?
babes in the can box, yeah?
Well, yeah, but don't do it at
Alright.
the last time.
Jeez. Oh my god, babes, I'm sorry. I never know. I never mean to do that at babes. Sorry. I'm so yeah, alright. You want help? I saw me this strong, man. I tell you to eat up your protein, you know. Yo, dog, look what I can do, I know. Jesus Christ, I want to mash up round there. I want to really mash up round there. Just tell her, say, you, dog. The least you can do, I just tell her, no, dog. Mash me up. Just tell her, say, you, dog. Yeah, man, I got you, man. I got you, dog. Oh, mash up my glass. Which one I want to mash up my glass? Which one I want to mash up my glass? I son do it. I him do it. Him. Oh, sorry. It's a pot that brother make me can't take a lip out of a pot right now. Jimmy, go home. Come here. You know no sense. You know no sense. Mommy.
Walk up in the bitch to clean up froze. They don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat, I keep her drunk. You ain't got dough, little boy, you a bum. She give me brain, that bitch so dumb. Used to be broke, I ain't had no fun.
Mommy, I'll go outside to my friend them now, yeah? Alright, make sure you put on the mask on my make for you, yeah? Mommy, I just outside. Me say you have to put on the mask on my make for you. You don't want to wear it? Why? Me tell you not take this serious, you know. Put it on. Because you know what I'm going to say. Then it look like my business. It look weird. Me say put on the friggin' mask. It come like a liquid or something. Like you know, watch news and understand what go on in other place, yeah? And just know you have to go bed when you forward in back, you know. Yo, the man them. Look who's here. Yo, who the bunty face? Yo, brother, who make the mask there? Ian. Dog, I better you never forward out in a dog, I swear. Great waste face. We link you next week, bro.
Yeah, man, we're outside. You don't know the thing, go. Yo, nah, easy, you know, man. Yeah, man, we're there. We're just going easy and thing, you see it. So, what not up to? What not did? Wait there. Yo, who that? Only can chat, so. People did there.
Good morning, class. Miss member the homework. Only can't do nothing.
Yo, where the man them a deal with?
Europa, invite me to the match now.
Yo, where you cry for? Where you cry for? Where you cry for? Why you crying?
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why.
Next person, what's your name, please, sir?
Errol.
Where you coming from, Errol?
St. Mary.
Wait, Pine, are you that? Oh, you do your dog? Now put more you live.
Officer,
Listen to me, Errol. It's very critical. You do not lie to
Brother,
me.
now what do you say, I make a man?
No, brother, I know you.
Brother, you did heal me.
Boomba, look on the taxi man there drive.
Which part? Where am there? Where you go? Squad it! You never get it, suckers! Yo, get up!
Yo, who, brother?
Yo, don't make the man have to talk twice, you know. Well, you let him come for take over your planet.
Come for take over what?
In my laugh. Brother, I'm serious, you know, man.
Yo, listen. You see, if you need forward like December last year, then me da kind of scared, you see me, but the planet done boom up already. You know hear what go on, brother? You look outside, you see nobody? You see nobody outside? Waste on the time, dog. A matter of fact, couldn't have spaceship, dog. You just bring me with you, dog. Me help you to find the next planet. Cause me have Wi-Fi, cause me have like Google Maps and them thing them can help you find other place to like invade. Yo, forward. Make we bring you.